Where am I? Don't move a muscle. I'm your worst nightmare. Me. You hear me? Look, I got some good stuff for you. You're the one who I've been waiting for. Number 627. You're gonna die. Looks like the AOR got you. Lucky I was there. I'm the one who decides who lives and who dies. Me, not you. Get moving. Don't call any fast ones. Oh, God. Got you now. New objective, eliminate mercenary. Call of Duty 6. Be there when the next episode comes. A new mission this time. Don't miss it. Don't miss it for the world. 16.